Hello and welcome from a sunny day in Lymington. Here we have the beautiful ROSY Pelican. She is a 1973 Sparkman & Stevens Swan 44. She underwent a major refit in 2015, and you can find the full list of work that was done on her in our specification. I will point out some items as we look through her. She's been in her current ownership for 27 years and has cruised all over the world, but has been kept in the Med in more recent years. So first we will step into the cockpit. At the helm here you can see she's got a full set of B&G kit, which was new in 2015. There's also now a new shiny compass in that holder there. There we've got her engine controls, which is for her Volvo MD50, which was new in 2015 and currently has around 650 hours on. Now we will start to make our way up forward. She's got lovely teak decks. These were replaced in 1998 and are still in very good condition. Bottom of her rig there, the rig was new in 2015 and it's a very nice double spreader Axon carbon rig which has been painted white. Up on the foredeck here you can see she is cutter rigged. She's got the double furlers there on the inner stay as well. She's got a Lumar electric windlass. Head back round looking aft. Starboard on the deck there you can just see her carbon spinnaker pole, and to port she's got a alley jockey pole. Have a look up at the rig there. Sails wise she's got a great suit of sails. She's got some racing, some cruising. She's got a North set from 2015 for cruising, a nice A1 Reacher, number 1 Genoa. Again, the full list is on the specification and it is fairly extensive. That's her big opening hatch there, which goes down into the forepeak, which we'll see when we're down below. See her hydraulic vang there. She's got hydraulic vang and backstay, which again was all replaced when the major works were done in 2015. Another view of the cockpit. You can just see those black Pontos winches there. These are 4-speed winches, which make getting the Genoa in a piece of cake. They really do. They are fantastic. There's some more of her B&G kit. She's got her wind instruments there and also a control for the autopilot, which is very handy to have up forward. It's her pram hood. Quick sweep round of the cockpit. You'll just see her green Mastervolt charging cable there from the shore power. She's got a Mastervolt mass combi charger and inverter, which is a great, very smart piece of kit. And now we will magically head down below. So here I am, I'm about halfway down the companionway in the saloon. Give you a nice view of the saloon looking forward. Her upholstery was replaced in 2015 with the refit. You can just see there she's got pilot berths either side of the saloon. These actually pull out and have added infill cushions to make them a bit wider. Beautiful oil lamps either side. And up into the forepeak, as you can see, it's a V-berth with an infill to make it into a double. The dinghy is there and the cockpit cushions, which are currently being stowed up here. And then you've got wardrobes either side and a step up there or a cushion for when getting dressed, so you can sit down if you're at sea. Quick picture there, you can see a letter and picture. That's actually of Olin Stevens sailing on board Rosy Pelican, which the owner is very proud of. Cockpit table, drop leaf table. Here we are in the galley. We've got a top loading fridge there. As you can see, the double stainless steel sinks which can be accessed from either side, and we've got a very clever lift up board there to add to the worktop space. The engine is in that compartment there, just at the bottom of the companionway, and the steps fold up to allow access into there. Swoop round to the starboard side, and here we have the chart table. Nice big B&G plotter, and a new multi-display, just showing white up there. For old time's sake, she does still have her original Sailor VHF, but she's got a new VHF as well. She's also got a snazzy E4 fuel cell instead of a generator, iridium sap phone and Eberspacher heater. Now we will pop into the heads. So we're on the starboard side just aft of the chart table. The tap there pulls out to make a shower. Behind the door we've actually got the toilet and holding tank control there as well. Back round, we've got good hanging there, which is just aft of the galley, and that's great for your wet weather gear. That's a fantastic wet locker. Into the aft cabin now. There's a nice hatch there, as you saw, which is great for handing up teas and coffees into the cockpit. We've got single berths either side of the aft cabin. There's plenty of stowage in this cabin as well, lots of lockers and cuddy holes. Got this mirror and dressing table facing forward, and then you can see that bench seat that runs across as well. And then we are magically back in the heads again. So she's got the Jack and Jill doors, so you can access from the saloon and the aft cabin. And back through into the saloon. So that is the beautiful and very well kitted out Rosy Pelican Swan 44.